What goes at the end? More than one. There you go. Good job. Yep. What word do you want me to spell? Alright, how do you spell lawn? Go. Alright, how do we spell words? W. O-R.
And then that was own word.
D. S.
How did you sort them, Ryan?
I sorted mine because I saw the slide ones and I did in my hair. I saw some stuff on the ground, so I put it on the ground.
That's great. That's great. What do we call the ground in the rainforest?
The fourth floor.
Excellent. That's wonderful. Wonderful. Eliana, how are you going to sort your words?
I'm going to sort mine, put all the meat eaters here and all the plant eaters right here.
Meat eaters and plant eaters. Good idea. Michael, how are you sorting yours?
I'm going to sort water things and things that live on the floor.
Okay. All right.